Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make a pillow. It is very easy and all you need to have is a cotton fabric. It's better that it's natural material, and the next thing is pillow stuffing. It looks like this. It is white. It is of course synthetic, but you can get in like a lot of craft shops because this is the material you fill toys or pillows.
Take a ruler and a closest marker. I have this small closest marker, and measure 52 centimeters on one side and 60 centimeters on the longest side. Now what I'm gonna do is just mark it and just draw a straight line, and now I will add 2 centimeters extra because this is going to be where we are going to cut. So the other line is where we're going to sew. So if you need a little bit extra, some people can take 1.5 centimeters. They're really professional and good at sewing, but if you're a beginner, it's better to take 2 centimeters. Now we'll just mark it, and after that you just cut that side where you have marked. Like you can see the outer side, not the inner side. Inner side is gonna be where we're gonna sew. Alright, now I'm turning on the other side, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to do the same on this side. So I'm going to also mark like 2 centimeters from everywhere except this one line where you can see that it's closed, so you don't have to sew it. So yes, so measure like all corners. Last thing you need to do is sew those 10 centimeters that were left to put inside the pillow stuffing, and just take out all the pins and sew till the end. And when you come to the end, then you just use this sewing option backwards so that your thread doesn't come out.